This is down in Westerly. This actually used to be a building right here. We used to stand on, there used to be a deck that used to stand right here. This is how Hurricane Sandy has affected this area. And this is now April, and construction's still being done. Entire building's gone. Unbelievable. It just goes on and on. Building after building destroyed from a hurricane. Right here used to be a deck. We used to stand here every morning and look out. As far as you can see, no buildings, all destroyed. Shoreline's been forever changed down in Westerly. Beautiful waves. Jay wishes he was surfing.
It's choppy as shit.
Okay, he's choppy as shit. He's not surfing. He's gonna surf later this afternoon. But as far as you can see, there were buildings here, and now there's nothing. Just absolutely nothing.